go do a quick teardown of this Holloween projector light. I'm curious to see how this works, and I'm wondering if I can maybe salvage it to maybe use it for a AC powered turntable, perhaps, since how there's an AC motor inside of here, and this rotates very slowly. So because of that, I may assume that this could work as a turntable. Perhaps even keep the housing as is and attach a piece of wood on top and have it rotate slowly. Maybe, I'm not sure, but I'm curious to see what is inside and see how this device works, and see if there's any parts that are useful. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Shines just like this. So let's go ahead and take it apart and see how it works. Okay, so now looking at the screws, I can see the screws inside, and it looks like it uses a torque 10 screw. So let's just go ahead and screw it just like this. Just to somehow get into the sides here. Doesn't feel like it's going to reach. That could be a problem for me. There we go. Here's a little film, and here's the little projectors. That allows me to be able to see. And here are the bright LEDs. Here are the bright LEDs inside. There we go. Here's a lens, which actually I can possibly use for a lot of different things. Very nice. More lenses right here. It's also very nice. Could probably make a really bright flashlight out of this, possibly.
And here is the circuit that is inside of this projector. The wires that come from mains voltage entering the circuit. There's also a full bridge rectifier surface mount component, and a few other surface mount components. Some electrolytic capacitors, a transformer, a resistor, and some of these components can be very useful for salvaging for future projects. Some really powerful surface mount LEDs, and this really interesting AC gear motor.
Wow, that's bright. Wow, that's very, very bright. Okay, so that's how it looks. Power's going through here. Oh, that's super bright. Interesting. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a Holloween LED projector, and you know what's inside and how it works, and how I can potentially use it to make more projects out of. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTech Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.